So I am just sauteing some onions, peppers, and zucchini. So to season this, I'm gonna add some steak sauce. And then I have this balsamic vinaigrette from Aldi. Alright, so it's just been a few minutes. Taking our plate off. And I just want to, you see all that water that was on the spinach, because I rinsed it, pretty much allowed the spinach to wilt really well. So I'm not going to add any seasoning to this because I put salt already on the zucchini, because this steak seasoning has a good amount of salt. So I don't want to add any more to the spinach. I really want to reduce the amount of sodium in this dish. But I am going to add some kalamata olives. You can definitely omit them. Some people, you know, they're just not into olives, but that's going to give it a bit of like that briny saltiness. Like, I like olives, so that's that. And I'm going to put half of this away for tomorrow and the other half for tonight. In our same pan, I'm going to put some oil, not too much. And I want to make sure this is really hot. So this is just a small amount of falafel mix that I had left over. Did a double batch, and instead of making these into balls, I'm just going to throw it in here and kind of make it like a falafel crumble. But I still want to get some nice like brownness on it, so let's just wait for that to heat up. Okay, so I'm gonna add falafel, which this freaking thing, oh, I almost burnt my freaking plastic, it was that hot. Alright, so I'm just gonna spread it out, make sure the bottom part is getting oil on it so it can crisp up, and just leave it alone. Alright, so here is our warm salad. So we got some, well, sauteed salad, sauteed spinach, zucchini, peppers, onions, kalamata olives. Now I'm adding in a wee bit of falafel, just sauteed on top of there. Give me some protein, and I'll save the rest for tomorrow. And then for my like dressing, if you will, it's a mixture of vegan mayo, tahini, banana peppers diced up, and a little bit of honey. Of course, definitely omit the honey and add agave nectar instead. So this is light. I mean, the mayo makes it a little bit heavier. I also added some of that balsamic vinaigrette. You all know I love pumpkin seeds. I only got a little bit left. So I love pumpkin seeds on my salads. And I'm also going to add some sun-dried tomatoes. Give it some color. Okay, so let's try the salad. It's good. This sauce is so good, y'all. I needed this. I needed something green and like healthy. It does have oil in it, but it's better than what I usually would eat. It's not like I'm eating the falafel with bread or anything like that. I got more vegetables. I did put less salt than what I would usually eat. It's good. It's good. It's got a taste of that falafel. So yeah, definitely when you make falafel, make double portions. And just keep it in the fridge for a while. A few days, and you can just take it out. And if the mixture is too wet, you can just add more flour to it and, you know, make your falafel patties. But it really lasts a while when I make double. So yeah, that's that. It's good. It tastes good to me. and I made enough for tomorrow. So, which is really good if you're busy, if you work. You don't want to be like really hungry and you grab something that's unhealthy or something that's not in the diet that you want to eat. So definitely whenever you cook, make double. That way you save a lot more time. Alright, that's it, you all. Thank you all for watching this video. Remember, in all that you do, stay forever true. Peace.